everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create poll on Snapchat. Polls are a fun way to engage with your friends and get the opinions directly on your story. Now, let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Take a photo or record a video by pressing the capture button. You can also upload a photo or video from your camera roll if you want to use existing file. For that, tap on overlapping cards on your screen. Then tap on camera roll. Scroll down until you see the photo that you want to keep in the poll. Once you have your snap ready, tap on the sticker icon on the right of your screen. Looks like a square with a folded corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Then on your screen you can keep poll over here. Tap on it. Then poll will automatically appear in Snap. Now type in the position on the top like this and tap on tick. Now drag the poll sticker to position it anywhere on your Snap. You can use two fingers to resize or rotate it to fit on your layout perfectly. When you are satisfied with your Snap and poll, tap on send to button. Then you can see stories on your screen. There's two options over there. One is my story public and second is my story friends only. If you want public to see your story, tap on my story public. If you want your poll to be visible only to your friends, tap on second option. I'm going to tap on second one. You can also select specific friends to send it directly like this. Then tap on send to button and it is posted. Now let's head back and see the poll. Tap on your profile icon and here in your story, you can view the results by checking your story. Tap on it. You can see how many of your friends have watched it, and after some time you can swipe the snap to see how your friends have voted and who selected which option. And there you have it. Creating a poll on Snapchat is simple and a great way to interact with your friends. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.